Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the FMOD.dll not found game crash error on Windows. First, verify your game files on Steam. Open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on the game that is showing the error. Click Properties. Then go to the Installed File section. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan and replace any missing or corrupted files. Wait for the process to finish and then try launching the game again. If you are using Epic Games Launcher, open your library. Find the game and click the three dots next to it. Select Manage, then click Verify. The launcher will check your files and fix any issues automatically. After it completes, restart the game. Next, reinstall DirectX because the error often linked to missing audio and system components. Go to the official Microsoft website and download the DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. Run the setup and follow the instructions. After installation is complete, restart your computer. If the issue still continues, your antivirus or Windows Security may be blocking the file. Open Windows Security and go to Virus and Threat Protection Settings. Click Manage Settings, then open Exclusions. Add the full folder of your game to the exclusion list. This allows the game to run without interference. After doing all these steps, restart your PC and launch the game again. Thanks for watching.